First, insert the U-Disc into the USB port on the back of the screen. Long press and hold the device number in the upper right corner for 5 seconds. Then, without entering the password, press and hold the icon for 6 seconds. After waiting, successful modification to be displayed. The status bar and navigation bar are displayed. Click the circle in the middle of the navigation bar, enter the desktop. Then click the second gear on the left to enter the settings page. Click on the first, LAN. Click on your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Finally, click Connect. Finally, if it shows that it is connected, it will successfully connect to the internet. Click the circle in the middle of the navigation bar, enter the desktop. Then click the Home button, find the MG320 software. Enter the background of the screen. Click Check for updates. Update the software version to the latest version. After updating to the latest version, click Other. After entering Other, click the third function on Find, Add Rules and select Close. Back to the client, bring up the navigation bar. Enter the desktop, find S-File Explorer and click on it. After entering, click Local on the left, click Homepage. Click Zero Disk. Enter Add and ADB to delete the video in it. Click on U-Disc, enter the U-Disc. Long press your video file and click Copy. Click on Homepage. Click Zero Disk, click on the Add folder and the Add folder and click Paste. Repeat the above steps to copy the video and paste it into the add file. Return to MG320 software page. Check if the advertisements are playing properly. Finally, pull out the U-Disc.